turn all the way all across the plate, like really fast. Down, and just keep pouring. When I have pour, you want to make sure like to not have that sit out for a long time. I'm gonna take it over to the sink. So take it over to the sink. Just on the outside mostly as well. That's okay. I want to get this fully dry because you guys remember what's next.
Filming?
Yeah, so you will do the gum. We're going to bring this stuff and getting all over, even on the edges. Sometimes we think like, no, the edges don't have the drawing in there, but those are mostly important because you want to get even and flat surface. You're good. This is very, very time sensitive. So great so far. Walk down just a little bit, just on this area. Not so much material. And remember, we're going to start. Yes. You might want to use one hand.
Yeah, I'm going to
Just so you have to be weighted. Okay, so if you want to pour that over there, we're going to go with cheesecloths. Get all of that
crazy, bro. God. You know where my big bugs. All of my bags. Anyway. Like grab me handles.
So you don't see anything like that, those like big straps. You can use one of them, spread across here, while you put it across here. And I recommend you guys can love this thing. Fast. All over. Keep bumping. You want to bump long strokes. This to the side. Now it is, I'm going to start watering with the sponge. Again, there's the water. And you're going to start, just take it out with the rag. First roll, we're going to go this way. So, and then this way. No, just that way. Just 2 more times. And you don't want to go past this. You want to start here and here. Switch. What we're doing now is we are sponging and rolling, charging the roller so we can fully our image and and you want to stop here and stop there. See how you're stopping here?
Yeah.
Sponging, and then again we're going to do this way.
Long ways? Yes.
Almost there. See a bit more areas. You can spot them out. See like any green areas? Like right here, here. And then we can start spotting it. So on this next charge, we can start just doing like that area. This area, because this is already, I don't know if I see any green. Do you see any green there? For to roll all the way, yeah. And then, okay. So now we'll just sponge our last time. Some hairs, and then again, we will dry this plate. So let's take out our little technological drying flags.